Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your primary phone runs the latest WhatsApp and has a working camera and stable internet. This matters because the QR scan and authentication need both. Once done, prepare the secondary device, open web. WhatsApp, COM or the WhatsApp app on the device. Now on your phone, go to Settings, Linked Devices, and tap Link a Device. This launches the QR scanner immediately. Use it now to scan the code shown on the other device to begin authentication. You scan the QR and watch the session initialize. This step is where WhatsApp exchanges keys and begins syncing. Make sure to name the device so you can identify it later. This helps when you manage multiple links. Allow required permissions on the secondary device, notifications, and storage, so messages and media download properly. If you have many chats or media, be patient. The app prioritizes recent messages first, and a full history may continue syncing in the background while you use WhatsApp. You finish by verifying that messages and profiles sync correctly, send a test message, and check media download behavior. From your phone, you can manage linked sessions, rename, log out, or remove devices anytime for security. Make sure desktop app or browser remains updated for best performance. If something goes wrong, the most common fix is simple. Restart the camera or WhatsApp, clear the phone app cache, and retry the QR scan, ensuring both devices have stable internet.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.